Welcome to another day on the Journey Chez Chem. I'm so happy to see you. And as you know, today is an assessment. That's what we think. And please do the 2 warm-up questions to the best of your ability, and we'll talk about them in a moment. In number 1, we have more practice of changing words to formulas. In A, we have phosphorus, Roman numeral 3, bromide. The Roman numeral is telling me that phosphorus is plus 3. Bromine on the periodic chart is a -1. The common multiple between 3 and 1 is 3. So I must multiply the bromine by 3. PBr 3, because plus 3 and minus 3 is 0. Iron is Roman numeral 2, which tells me that iron is in the plus 2 state. And nitrate has a -1 charge. The common multiple between 2 and 1 is 2, so I need 2 nitrates. Fe parentheses NO3 twice. In C, we do not have a Roman numeral because cadmium is one of our silly 6, and it's always, always, always plus 2. And phosphorus is -3. The common multiple between 2 and 3 is 6. So I need 3 cadmiums and 2 phosphorus. Also, silver is one of the silly 6, just like cadmium, and it's always plus 1. And nitrate is -1, so it's just AgNO3. And that's how you do those. In question number 2, we're going from the formulas to the words. I look at my first element that is always positive, and I see that calcium is an alkaline earth metal. It's in the second column, so it's always, always, always plus 2. So I don't need to use a Roman numeral. It's just calcium chlorate. In B, potassium is an alkali metal, and it's always plus 1. So it's just potassium nitrite. Again, sodium is an alkali metal, and so it's just sodium perchlorate. Now in D, we have 2 different options. I could use the Greek prefixes because it's a nonmetal with a nonmetal, and that would be diphosphorus pentaoxide, where we identify the number of the atoms, or I can write it in Roman numeral form. And oxygen is -2, and there are 5 oxygens, giving me a -10. Compounds are 0, and there are 2 phosphorus, so phosphorus must be plus 5. Phosphorus, Roman numeral 5, oxide, or diphosphorus pentaoxide. And that's how you do those. Now, it's very important for me to talk to you about what we're doing next. Today was announced as being an assessment day where you would have a test to take. And today, you have a little bit of a reprieve. It's actually a pretest. What a pretest is, something that looks identical, except for different compounds. Maybe I shouldn't say identical. It looks very much like the format of the test that you will have tomorrow. So tomorrow is actually the real test. But I would like you to take this one seriously and sit down with a periodic chart that is the one that you get in the packet that does not have the names of the elements on it, and you try to do that test. The value of the different problems are on there, so you can actually do a grade and figure out what you would have gotten had it been a real test. And it looks very, very much like what you're going to see tomorrow. So please put that nose to the grindstone and show us what you got, and then you'll be happy too. So I can't wait to see you tomorrow.